In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport-size photo using Photoshop. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your image in Photoshop. This is the starting point for our process. Once your image is open, you might want to take a moment to make any necessary edits. Perhaps the lighting isn't quite right, or maybe there's something you need to touch up. Once you're satisfied with your image, it's time to move on to the next step, choosing the crop tool, which is represented by a square icon with an extended corner. Now look up at the top menu and locate the crop tool settings. Here you'll select the WXHX resolution option. This step is crucial because it allows you to input the precise measurements needed for a standard passport photo. Go ahead and enter the dimensions, 3.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Additionally, you'll want to set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch, ensuring a crisp, professional quality photo. Next, you'll need to adjust the crop area to fit the subject properly within this frame. Once you've got the area just right, go ahead and crop the image. Your photo should now be neatly tailored to the necessary passport size specifications. Moving on, let's add a subtle border around your photo. Head over to the Select menu and choose All. This action will select the entire image. With everything selected, navigate to the Edit menu and choose the stroke option. A prompt will appear asking you to set the stroke width. Enter 1.2 as your stroke width, and don't forget to change the color to black for a classic defined border. Click OK to apply these changes. With your image now bordered, it's time to copy it. Go back to the Edit menu and click Copy. We're now ready to generate our print-friendly document. Select New from the File menu to create a brand new document. Here, we'll set the canvas size to 6 by 4 inches. This dimension is widely used for photo prints, providing you with just the right size for easy handling and multiple copies. Once your new canvas is prepared, paste your edited image into this document. You'll notice the photo appears as a new layer. Take your time to arrange this photo exactly how you want it on the page. If you need multiple copies, simply hold down the Alt key and drag to duplicate the image as many times as you wish. This feature is great for efficiently laying out several photos on a single page. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save or export your file. You can then print it out or keep it saved for future reference. And there you have it, a perfectly edited and arranged passport-sized photo ready for use. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing in Photoshop.